My name is Spencer Rickers. I'm the founder of Comprehensive Sedation Dental. So I've always been passionate about bringing extra vitality into our lives. In other words, I want to make sure that people stay healthy. That's always my goal. I didn't find dentistry right off the bat. I actually did personal training for a while and I didn't know what I wanted to do. So I looked into medicine and I actually went down the pre-med route for a while. And then I looked at other alternative things like physiotherapy and chiropractic, and those weren't for me. I talked to one of my friends, actually Jonathan, he's a great dentist now, but he said, hey, why don't you look into dentistry? And so I went and I shadowed. I realized that, yeah, dentistry is really cool because you can really give people a big part that can be missing if they don't have teeth. That really inspired me to want to get into helping keep people's teeth for a lifetime and also giving back people teeth that don't have any. I try to approach dentistry comprehensively, that's why it's in the name, and anything that we need to do to help you keep your teeth a lifetime, then you're gonna have a better quality of life, you're gonna have more years of life, you're gonna be in way better shape overall. So anything in dentistry that helps us achieve that goal, that's what I'm into. You know, that includes Invisalign, it includes implants, it includes even early interventions like forward-directed facial growth in children, making sure that they have enough room for teeth to come in. So anything that helps people keep their teeth a lifetime and have beautiful, strong, functional teeth, that's what I like. I'm always really trying to put myself in their shoes. You know, a lot of people that come to us, and we encourage people to come to us if they have dental anxiety, right? And I'm always really sensitive with my teeth, so I'm always really trying to make sure that let them have the best patient experience possible, that we let them have plenty of breaks if they're not sedated. We go as slow as they need to. We don't double book patients so that we have all the time that we need to take care of you individually. And you're really not a number here in our office. We're family founded and operated. Our goal is to just give you the best patient experience possible. So my philosophy towards patient care, it's comprehensive, and that's in the name, because we want to be able to come up with plans that are able to future-proof your dental health for the long term. So whether that's a full mouth restoration in some cases, maybe it's just a few fillings, maybe involves Invisalign, maybe it involves making sure that your children's teeth grow in with enough space. That's what we like to do. I think that sedation is the key to having a good dental experience. I'm a big outdoors guy, and that's a big reason why I actually bought this office, because it's really, and living here in Sandy, because we're right next to the best ski resorts in the world, Alta and Snowbird, they're the best. I lived outside of Utah for a while. I had to move back. One, my family's here, and all of them are here, and two, I couldn't let my sons grow up without skiing. That would be a disaster. The future goals I have for this practice, we are growing into all of our rooms here. We have 3 of the 9 operatories built out. We're going to build out the 4th one at the end of September here. The ultimate goal is to have other dentists working here alongside me, other dentists that bring their expertise to the table. I can't be the best at everything, but we want to be multidisciplinary and comprehensive. Right now I have some really good specialists that we refer to with some of the procedures that we don't do, like molar root canals. Some of them, if it's a pretty straightforward one, we'll do it, and if we think we can give you a good experience, we'll do it. Eventually, expanding even this office and building onto other units in this building, it would be cool to have a pediatric dentist up here as well, because I think a lot of the dental issues that people actually run into in a family office when they're a little older, they can be solved or prevented when we have good long-term thinking in pediatric care.